Here's a step-by-step guide to affiliate marketing for beginners in 2024, broken down into 10 comprehensive steps. Step 1. Understand the basics. Begin by grasping the fundamental concept of affiliate marketing. In essence, it involves promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Step 2. Choose your niche. Select a niche that aligns with your interests and passions. Your niche should have a sizable audience and a range of affiliate products available for promotion. Research trending topics and products to find a profitable niche. Stay to the end of the video and I have a free course for you. Step 3. Research affiliate programs. Explore reputable affiliate programs and networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate. Research the products, commission structures, and payment methods to find programs that suit your niche and audience. Step 4. Build a platform. Create a platform to promote affiliate products. This could be a blog, YouTube channel, social media profiles, or a combination of these. Focus on building quality content related to your niche to attract and engage your audience. Step 5. Produce high-quality content. Create valuable and relevant content that educates, entertains, or solves problems for your audience. This can include blog posts, videos, podcasts, or social media posts. Your content should establish your expertise and build trust with your audience. Step 6. Disclose your affiliation. Be transparent with your audience about your affiliate relationships. Disclose your affiliation with products and services, ensuring you maintain trust with your audience. Transparency fosters credibility and loyalty. Step 7. Promote products strategically. Promote affiliate products strategically within your content. Integrate affiliate links naturally and contextually. Consider product reviews, tutorials, and recommendation lists to showcase the benefits of the products you're promoting. Step 8. Focus on SEO and keywords. Optimize your content for search engines by conducting keyword research. Use relevant keywords naturally in your content to improve its visibility on search engine results pages. SEO-friendly content attracts organic traffic over time. Step 9. Analyze and adapt regularly. Analyze your affiliate marketing efforts. Monitor click-through rates, conversion rates, and commission earnings. Use analytics tools to understand what works and adapt your strategies accordingly. Step 10. Build relationships and engage with your audience and build relationships. Respond to comments, emails, and messages. Engaging with your audience not only builds trust, but also provides insights into their needs and preferences, allowing you to tailor your affiliate marketing strategies more effectively. By following these steps and remaining patient and persistent, beginners in affiliate marketing can establish a successful online presence, attract a loyal audience, and generate income through affiliate commissions in 2024 and beyond. To learn more, check out Paul Murphy's 10-day free YouTube and Google's course. Go to www.bestpassiveincome.com. Hit the subscription button for more marketing tips.